Classic pickup time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1969 Chevrolet C10 or Custom 10 regular cab. Underneath the hood, 350 small block Chevy V8 powered. That is paired up with a turbo hydromatic automatic transmission 400 TH400. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille on this one, front bumper. Take a look at the condition of the chrome, bright work. Headlight surrounds. This did start life as a white and turquoise truck with a turquoise deluxe interior, a custom interior, I should say. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior now, the underside, the engine bay, bed of this truck. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on a little later model Chevy wheel. Goodyear Wrangler radials. Take a look up and down the passenger side here. Look at the cab corners. And you'll be able to see this truck from every angle, again, top to bottom. The underside of it on the still pictures. There is a snap-in or snap-on tonneau cover. Took that off so you can see the bed does have a spray-in liner. And that tonneau cover is right there with the cross members. That will all go along with this truck. We'll slip around to the driver's side, check out the interior here a little closer. There's that AC unit underneath the dash. Again, does blow cold. Radio works, wipers work. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There are a few little blemishes here and there. You can see kind of back by the tailgate. And the truck has been driven and used. So don't be afraid to get in, turn the key, go have some fun with it. And once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Look up and down the driver's side. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Rubber flooring, easy to keep clean. Good shape too. Got a two-tone cloth and gray seating area. Sliding rear window. A little custom overhead stereo install. It's all pretty slick. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. See, the tach is working. Fuel gauge came up to about half there. Down here, oil pressure appears to be working. That was a cold start, so you're not going to have any reading on the temperature gauge. Battery looks like. Alternator is working. Take a look. There's the AC controls, and again, AC blows cold. Did have the radio working too. It's again up here.
New generation of riders. It's a lot more diverse.
All right, slip to the back. Chair run. Door closes nicely. No crazy exhaust, cam, anything like that on this one. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop that hood open, check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood popped. Again, 350. That's paired up with that turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Does have an Edelbrock intake and carb on it. There's that AC compressor on this side. Once again, AC does blow cold. Smooth running, nice idling engine. Looking for a classic Chevy. Don't have to be afraid to get in and drive, have a little fun with. Here you go, 1969 Chevrolet C10. Regular cab, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or